Hello Buncombe County School faculty, staff, and parents. Welcome to our new school year. There are so many exciting things to talk about as we kick off this semester. From technology enhancements to safety upgrades, we're proud of all of the new initiatives that will roll out to create truly engaging and safe learning environments for our students. On the technology front, as the final phase of distribution begins, the one-to-one digital learning initiative will officially be rolled out to all grade levels. Students in 3rd through 12th grade each have their own Windows laptop, while students in grades K through 2 each have their own iPad. This is an exciting time for the school system as we prepare our students for tomorrow with a 21st century education. Beginning this year, kindergartners in all 6 districts have an opportunity to enroll in our Spanish Immersion dual language program. This year, Candler, West Buncombe, and North Buncombe elementary schools will join Oakley, Avery's Creek, Glen Arden, and W.D. Williams in this global education initiative. In addition, our intermediate and middle schools will now have access to Spanish language and culture programs to support those students who are transitioning out of our dual language programs at the elementary and intermediate level. Buncombe County Schools will be one of few systems in the state to offer an option for a dual language sequence from kindergarten through 8th grade. Campus safety and security continues to be a top priority. This year we will be initiating a professional development for all school building staff using the National Incident Management System, or NIMS, model to enhance protocol and practice. Likewise, through a new state grant program devoted to safe schools, we will have received an increased allocation for additional school resource officers as well as mental and behavioral health support. School campus security is also being enhanced as we upgrade our door entrance systems beginning in our middle schools and then moving to the high schools. As a final component, in partnership with Asheville City Schools, we will be presenting a request to the Capital School Commission for funding to professionally survey campuses and recommend current best practices in security. In closing, we have several new principals throughout the district. Welcome to Dr. David Robinson at Valley Springs Middle School, Mr. Travis Collins at Inca Intermediate School, Mrs. Anna Alston at Johnston Elementary School, and Mrs. Heather Brookshire at the Nesbitt Discovery Academy. To everyone, best wishes for an outstanding school year ahead.